Hey guys, welcome to the Consultant Mindset. Today we will learn about some new tricks that will help you learn faster even if you are not a genius. Many people find it harder to learn than to understand. Understanding is something related to learning. You are capable of learning only when you have understood the assignment. Suppose you had to prepare a presentation for your school, and you had to cram everything written in the assignment for the presentation. You can do hard work and can learn everything, but the next day you feel like fading everything from your brain. Why does that happen? After all such night pullers, you managed to prepare it. And now it's all vanishing. Why is it happening? The information is not stored in the long-term memory of the brain. And the short-term memory of the brain is not capable of having such a long span. Sleep sandwich technique. The first and foremost trick is to practice a sleep sandwich technique. Continuously studying without any breaks will not help you. They will just assist you in draining your energy and enthusiasm. It is advised to follow this technique as it will help you retain and learn faster. The sleep sandwich technique majorly comprises the study and sleep with sleep sandwich between them. It is study plus sleep plus study. Research has also revealed that a short amount of sleep within study sessions has proved to be effective in learning faster. It activates major parts of the brain and makes you feel motivated, and helps you learn faster eventually. When you are not studying and having a sound sleep, your brain is involved in storing all the info in long-term memory. Good sleep is highly recommended before the exam as it helps you retain your knowledge. In pulling an all-nighter, you tend to forget the things as quickly as you learn them. So take a sound sleep and let your brain work. Chewing gum. The second trick is chewing gum. Chewing gum is found to have been involved in stimulating various areas of our brain. It helps a lot in alleviating anxiety and stress conditions. It helps to deal with situations without being less productive. In 2011, a social experiment was conducted on people. The people were made to do work in a stressed and anxious environment. The people who were chewing gum remained calm and handled the situation efficiently. Regardless of an anxious atmosphere, they kept calm and remained productive. While those who were not chewing gums could not survive a chance, studies have also shown that people who chew gum tend to be more attentive and focused in their work. It also increases their attention span. So whenever you sit to work, just keep a pack of chewing gum in your pocket. Hydration of the body. Are you drinking enough water? Because now studies have revealed that hydrating a body helps your brain work faster and more productively. It was explained by social experiments done on the students. The students who took a few sips of water during the exam tend to produce 10% more results than those who didn't drink water during the exam. Water plays a major role in focusing and physical endurance. It helps boost the cognitive functions of the body. So if you want to feel enthusiastic while learning something new, don't forget to hydrate your body. Music, a stress reliever. Another bubbly trick is listening to music. Are you a music lover? If you are, then it is going to help you a lot in learning faster. Some people have sworn that music has really helped them to learn faster. Music is known to be a stress reliever and an anxiety remover. So it is quite evident that it helps to reduce anxiety and makes you focus on things. According to some research, it is stated that some people cannot even study without music. It makes your brain receptive to new pieces of information. Try listening to new music every day. Study in chunks. We often study all our syllabi in one go. However, it is not the right method. Our brain is not designed this way to retain a lot of information in one go. It is advised to learn in pieces, as it keeps up your morale and helps you remain motivated. Study while taking short breaks. Doing something fun in between study sessions assists the fast learning process. Thank you everyone, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more amazing videos.